Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most anticipated models in BYD's lineup, the Formula Leopard Titanium 7. This isn't just another electric sedan. BYD claims it's been engineered to break boundaries in design, tech, and efficiency. So, does it live up to the hype? Stick around, because we're diving deep into every detail. Before we start, if you're into honest, detailed car reviews, make sure you hit subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss an upload. Let's get into it. Let's start with the outside. According to BYD's official design language, the Formula Leopard embraces what they call dynamic aesthetics. Looking at this car, you can definitely see it. The front end features a sleek, sealed grille, typical of EVs, with sharp LED headlights that have a distinctive, leopard eye signature. The side profile is where it gets really interesting. Strong character lines flow from the front fender all the way to the rear, giving it a sense of motion even when it's standing still. The Titanium 7 trim includes these stunning 19-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, a contrasting black roof option, and sleek door handles that sit flush with the body. At the back, you'll find a full-width LED light bar and a subtle diffuser. Overall, it's modern, athletic, and looks premium, definitely a head-turner in its segment. Step inside, and the premium feel continues. The cabin is spacious, thanks to BYD's efficient electric platform, and the materials are impressive for the price. The Titanium 7 comes with vegan leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the interior with natural light. The dashboard is dominated by two large screens, a digital driver's display and BYD's signature rotatable 15.6-inch central touchscreen. Yes, you heard that right, it can rotate from portrait to landscape with the touch of a button. The build quality feels solid, there's plenty of soft touch surfaces, and rear seat passengers get generous legroom and their own climate controls. It's a comfortable, tech-forward cabin that competes with cars costing way more. Now, let's talk about what powers this beast. The Formula Leopard Titanium 7 is built on BYD's advanced E-Platform 3.0, which is designed specifically for electric vehicles. It uses BYD's proprietary Blade Battery, which is known for its safety and energy density. In this configuration, you get a dual-motor all-wheel drive setup that delivers around 500 horsepower and a 0 to 100 km/h time of just 3.8 seconds. That's supercar territory, folks. But it's not just about straight-line speed. The low center of gravity and balanced weight distribution make it surprisingly agile through corners. And with a claimed range of up to 700 kilometers on a single charge, range anxiety really isn't an issue here. Whether you're commuting or taking a road trip, this car is built to perform. Tech is where BYD really flexes its muscles. The infotainment system is smooth, responsive, and loaded with features, from built-in navigation and voice control to over-the-air updates. But the real highlight is the D-Pilot Intelligent Driving Assistance System. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated parking, and a 360-degree camera system with transparent chassis view. Safety is top-notch too, with multiple airbags, reinforced body structure, and 5-star crash test ratings. There's also vehicle-to-load V2L capability, meaning you can use the car's battery to power appliances outdoors. It's packed with clever, useful tech that enhances both convenience and safety. So, what's the final verdict on the BYD Formula Leopard Titanium 7? In my opinion, it's a game-changer. It offers jaw-dropping performance, a luxurious and high-tech interior, impressive range, and all at a price point that undercuts many competitors. Whether you're an EV enthusiast or just looking for a premium daily driver, this car deserves your attention. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel, it really helps us out. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and drop a comment below letting me know what you think of the BYD Formula Leopard. Want to see a real-world range test or a deep dive into the Blade battery tech? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Drive safe, stay curious, and keep it right here on the channel. Cheers.